In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a field in Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator is a versatile platform that allows you to build custom apps without needing extensive coding knowledge. Whether you're a small business owner or an IT professional, this tool can be incredibly valuable for managing and streamlining your operations. One of its useful features is the ability to customize fields to suit your app's needs, including hiding certain fields from view when necessary. To begin, open Zoho Creator and navigate to your application. Zoho Creator's main dashboard is your gateway, providing easy access to all your apps and resources. Once you're in the application, move over to the Forms section. The Forms section houses all the forms and fields that make up your application, and it is where we'll make our adjustments. Next, choose the particular form that contains the field you want to hide. By selecting the right form, we ensure that we're making changes only where necessary. Now that you're in the correct form, look to your right to access the Form Builder. This intuitive tool provides a visual representation of your form's fields. Find the field you intend to hide. It's often helpful to double-check you're working on the right field at this stage, just to avoid any unintentional changes elsewhere. To hide the field, click on it to reveal the field properties on the right-hand side. The Field Properties panel is your control hub for customizing how the field behaves and is displayed. Here, you're looking for the Hide option. Clicking this will effectively remove the field from visibility in your live application, while still keeping it on the back end for any future needs or data management purposes. A quick tip to keep in mind: if you ever need to unhide the field, you can revisit the same Properties panel and uncheck the Hide option. What makes this feature handy is its flexibility. You're not deleting any data, just deciding who gets to see it. After making these changes, remember to save your form and commit these changes. Saving confirms your changes globally, so you won't have to worry about losing your adjustments. Finally, to verify that your configuration has been correctly applied, preview the form. This step ensures that both in the app and during the user's experience, the field is effectively hidden from view. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your application to better suit your specific operational needs, all while maintaining the integrity of the data associated with the hidden fields. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of your Zoho Creator experience.